Dear students, today class discussing the unit number 1 testing of hypothesis. Today discussing the topic t-test for difference of the mean problem. The problem will be two horses capital A and capital B were tested according to the time in seconds to run a particular race with the following results. So horse A and horse B. Horse A will be totally here 7 datas. The horse B will be totally here 6 datas. So here there is a two set of data will be given, and the number of data for n1 will be 7 and the number of data will be n2 will be 6. So here we can use a t-test because the sample size will be less than 30. So there is a two set of data, so therefore we can use the t-test for the difference of the mean problem. Okay, test whether here asking the horse A is running faster than B at 5% level of significance. Here asking the 5% level of significance. A test whether here A is running faster than B. This means A is superior than B. So A is it's very running fast, asking the question. So problem will be, so here n1 equal to 7 and n2 equal to 6. So first find out the summation of x1. You can add all the data for the horse A, and then summation of x1 square, the individual data square, and then add, you can got the value. Then summation of x2. So summation of x2, the data will be just add, and then summation of x2 square, you can individual data add, and then square, you can get the value will be 4787. So then find out the mean value. Mean value for a summation of x1 bar will be summation of x divided by n1. So 31.29. And then mean 2 for horse B should find out the mean value. X2 bar equal to summation of x divided by n2. The value will be 28.17. Then find out the s1 square, small s1 square. Here this formula will be summation of x1 square divided by n1 minus x1 bar whole square. The substitute, got the value will be 4.23. Similarly, we should find out the s2 square. S2 square here summation of s2 square divided by n2 minus x2 bar whole square. So substitute, got the value will be 4.28. Then finally find out the capital S square. This is a formula for the main thing for the variance. So s square equal to n1 s1 square plus n2 s2 square divided by n1 plus n2 minus 2. Substitute numerator and denominator value will be 5.03. This is a S square value. Then going to the step 1. Step 1 will be null hypothesis H0. I am taking the mu1 equal to mu2. Then step 2 will be alternate hypothesis. Here asking the question, horse A is faster than B. So therefore mu1 greater than mu2. So at the, here asking that 5% level of significance. So alpha equal to 5%. The degrees of freedom will be n1 plus n2 minus 2. The value will be 11. Then step 4 will be critical region at the 5%. So therefore here table value will be for 5% at the degrees of freedom will be 11, 1.796. The step 5 will be formula. That is statistics t equal to x1 bar minus x2 bar divided by root of s square bracket 1 by n1 plus 1 by n2. The substitute, got the value will be 2.498. So here calculate the value for this problem 2.498, but table value will be 1.796. So here table value will be lesser, but the calculated value will be higher. Then go to the step 6. Finally conclusion. If the table value will be what you could know, table value will be 1.796, but the calculated value will be 2.498. The calculated value will be higher, but the table value will be lesser. If a table value will be lesser now, automatically H0 is rejected. So therefore, so here this problem will reject the H0 at 5% level of significance. Thank you.